Da-na-na-na-na-na-na.
I need a little bit of a test to make sure that my review about this mop is 100% honest. What can I test? That's it.
Red. Now focus. The color of this pen is. The color of this pen is.
The color of the pen that I hold in my hand is royal blue.
Do we really need an electronic scrubber to scrub our face? When did these become obsolete? As you can see, I'm using Super Clean as my solution. That's it. That's my official review, man. Like, it charges right here. You know, you just plug it in right there. The pads just come right off, and you're able to pull these pads off and just throw them in the washing machine. That way you're not buying a whole bunch of different pads like you've done in the past with the Swiffer. And right here on the handle, as you can see there, let me focus on that right there. You can see you got your spray and your power button. Real easy, real simple. Man, you can get this from Amazon. It's called Nellies. Let me show you that up close. Nellies. It's like that underlay, mama, E-I, uh-oh. What's, nah, we old school. We getting old school when we start adding Nellies to cleaning stuff, right? But right here, you can see where you add the water, you add your solution. I didn't read the instructions. I got it dripping all over me right now. But I didn't read the instructions, and I don't really know if you should put solution inside the thing or if you should actually just put your solution on the floor like I did. Do whatever it is you want to do. But if your Nellies breaks, don't come calling me. Don't come, well, you can. And the cool thing that I really like about it, as it's charging, I noticed that the lights are kind of like flickering, but you can see here, when I just bring the foot down, you can see how much charge that it has, which is pretty cool. And these little lights right here in the front, it's looking like R2-D2, right? These little lights right here kind of flash a little bit, very lightly as it's charging, you know? So it's a cool little mop, man. I mean, honestly, go get it. I can't lie. I just can't lie. This is my honest review.
The color of the pen that I hold in my hand